Ghanaians panic for the fear of Fulanis taking over their country, motherland Ghana. Guys, Fulanis are currently taking over Ghana, and this is really, really disturbing because I don't see the reason why you leave your country. But wait a minute, where are they even from? Where are the Fulanis from? I want to know. Don't you guys have a country that you guys can go and build your country? Maybe you take your cattle and whatever to your don't you guys have grasses in your I don't know, I don't understand. All I'm concerned, Fulani people, you are not from Nigeria and you are not from Ghana. So where is your country? I want to know. Because I've been wondering, like, why? Why are you coming to other people's country, disturbing their peace? Why? What's the meaning of this? Someone cannot live in his country peacefully. Someone cannot live in his country peacefully. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Is that it? Well, if we check what is happening in Nigeria, the genesis of it all are the Fulanis. Because all these things started from the northern part of Nigeria. I'm not saying they are the ones behind all the crimes though. But if you check very well, you carry your telescope and check very well, now then be the first problem. Now then start everything for Nigeria. So now, I see the reason why Ghanaians should panic. Because you and I are seeing the chaos the Fulani caused in Nigeria. You are seeing for yourself. Now we are in fear. We cannot sleep with our eyes closed. I mean, our two eyes closed anymore. I just hope these people will allow us, when we have our peace for Ghana. As we leave Nigeria, come Ghana, make we have peace, I beg. So, hey, carry una wahala, go back to your country. I'm not even saying go back to Nigeria because you are not from Nigeria. You are not from Nigeria. You guys have your country. I don't know from which country you guys are from, but for all I'm concerned, when I get una country and you know where you're from. So now that you've spoiled Nigeria and your economy, because I know some of you are from Niger, your economy is becoming better in Niger. You want to spoil Nigeria so that you go carry yourself, go back to your country that is made, Abi? Okay. The God that we are serving is not going to let this happen. Anybody that try to make somebody cry or somebody live uncomfortably, he will never live in peace. I hope you guys are aware of it. Anything that you do today will affect you tomorrow. If it not affect you, it will affect your children. I mean, your generation entirely. This is very, very annoying, guys.